Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a basic type of look. Not super like basic. I think it's going to be kind of fun. But I want to match a jacket that I have that I don't usually wear. Make the look kind of work with that. You know, I have all these clothes that are just sitting around and I feel like they could be cool content material for Instagram and photo material. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start using those things to inspire the next look. I decided to go with the Opulence collection again. I think this will be look number 10. So, you know, if I can't gather all the videos, I will have it at the end of the video so you can see like our journey throughout the 10 looks that I created with these palettes. So let me zoom you guys in and we'll get it started. So today I'm wearing everything that I normally use. I have foundation, concealer, blush, highlighter. I applied just a coral blush today, a little bit of bronzer just to kind of get that caramel color going, and the darkest highlight in the Hot Tris palette. I am so fucking tired. It's like 1:30 a.m. here in LA, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna film this video because I haven't done a look in a couple of days, and I feel like if I keep on this, not lazy streak, but if I keep postponing these looks like day by day, it's gonna be harder for me to get back to it. And creatively, I feel like if I keep creating looks, you know, almost every single day, they become better, you know, more interesting. Ideas come to me a little bit quicker. I just want to keep it going, you know? So I'm going to be using mainly the Bronze Temptation palette because I think it has all the colors that I need. I'm going to use the very first color to kind of help blend everything, so that's Celestial. And I don't have my Bobbi Brown brush with me. I actually did a job, you know, and I used a brush and it's somewhere in my kit. So today I'm just gonna use a ponytail, like a basic ass bitch. Okay, and I'm going for like a dark smoky eye, but I want there to be a lot of color. So I'm gonna start with Burning Desire. I'm just gonna build it on the eye. So I want this color to really come through, so I'm going to use a small smudging brush from Laura, and I'm just going to build up the color so you can really see it, you know, after we lay down the darker colors. I'm going to be bringing this down to the lower part of the eye. Okay, so now we're gonna work in Dark Paradise. As you can see, I just drew a big wing shape on the eye, and we're gonna put this on the lid. Okay, with this brush I'm going to bring it to the bottom. And I'm just doing the inner half. Okay, now comes the fun part. We're going to add the black into the mix. So I'm going to use Dark Matter from the Dark Star palette. And we're going to start darkening around the eye. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of slasher to the inner corner, just kind of brighten them a little bit. I'm going to add some black eyeliner to kind of moodify everything a little bit more. Okay, now comes the fun part. I'm going to do the lip. So I'm going to actually use a little bit of Burning Desire again, and I'm just going to contour around the lip area. I think the camera died, but I put a little bit of Burning Desire and Slasher on the lip just to give it a little bit more contour, and I'm going to use a lip from ColourPop to finish off the look. Alright, I'm going to put some mascara and I'll be back with the finished look. Okay guys, so this is it for the look. It actually came out better than I thought. I like how dark it is and how, like, you know, serious it looks, but I kind of like the colors too. This is probably like the moodiest look I've ever done on my channel, and I kind of brought it to the lips as well. I actually added more shadow to the lips to make it look a little bit more dramatic too. As usual, I'm going to be putting some pictures, videos, so you can see the vision behind the look. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.